Hello everyone, this is Lori again, the crafter in the mitten, and I just wanted to show you this really small haul that I got recently. I was starting to play with some of these things and I decided, well, I noticed everybody's kind of like in the haul video, so I thought I would do this short little video. There's not too many items here, but I discovered a company called Only One Life Creations. I never heard of them before. I was watching Tim Holtz's introduction to these Foundry waxes, and so I searched them to buy them, and I noticed this particular company sold all 4 colors together like a kit, and I thought the price was reasonable. They charged $18.25 for these 4, which would normally be $23.98. So I thought, well, I'd order from them because I noticed they had some really well-known brands on their site. So I went ahead and picked those up, and then I also picked up these washi tapes by 49 in Market. I have quite a few washi tapes, but I noticed most of them are getting really old and they stick and they need to be thrown away actually. So I decided to try these to replace some of them. And these are, I'm impressed. These are really nice. It comes in this really nice box. Now, this was inside the box, this little cut thing. And I had to do a tiny bit of assembling. They have it perforated in the bottom here. You just fold it and tear that out, and then you snap this in, and you bring your washi tapes like so, and you cut them. And I've tried this one here. This little looks like thread, and on the project I did, it really looks like thread, so I like that a lot. So I think I'll be getting a lot of use out of these. These are labels. These are labels too, kind of. They got flowers and such. But anyway, I thought they're really pretty. So I'm excited to use those. And then I need some, I have an embossing pad, but it's kind of old, so I thought I'd buy this little mini one. It was only $2.50. I thought I'd throw it in the cart, some little thing to throw in. And then these markers, because I wanted to emboss some of those 3D folder things that I showed you that I got. And the other thing I got was a stamp. It's musical notes, or it's like sheet music. I thought that would be really handy, especially, when you're making your own ephemera. I think it's really pretty. I haven't had a chance to use it, but I'm excited to. And then while I was on the site, I ran into these stamps from Tim Holtz. These are postcard stamps, how to make, you can make your own postcards. So I'm going to be posting a video shortly here about making postcards. I hope you join me for this particular session that I'm going to be doing here. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm still on the new side and I appreciate it. Hit the bell so you know when I post next. And then the other thing I got was these papers. It's called Secret Garden, and this is by Craft Consortium. I have another paper pad by them, 12 by 12, and it's a gypsy theme. Oh my gosh, this is the most beautiful paper. I know you're supposed to use your beautiful papers. They're like precious. It's like I haven't found the perfect project because these papers are just to die for. And these are no exception. These are beautiful. And it's only the 6 by 6, and they do have a larger size. These are on clearance, so I was, a little bit familiar with this paper brand, so I had to pick it up. How much was this? It was $6.75, and it was normally $10.30. But on the front cover, they have some little cutaways. You can cut these out. And then, I don't know if you can see these papers. They're just little tiny details. These are great for cards and pockets, anything, really. They're just really, really cute. You get several papers of the same design. And they're, of course, double-sided, as you can tell. And that's the other side. So I guess I'll show it to you this way. This is one side, this is the other side. This reminds me of a formal garden. Like at Biltmore. I used to work at Biltmore in North Carolina. And that kind of reminds me of their formal gardens. And here's another print. Right here. And these keys, they're embossed. There's a little bit of a sheen to them. And you could feel the texture. So cute. You could use this in like an Alice in Wonderland theme journal. Here's this one. And then we have like this one here. These are really small details, like a little secret garden gate. You got bunnies, butterflies, a little tiny snail. More look at these papers, more details I see. They're just gorgeous. And then there's this turquoise with butterflies and rainbows. It's got a sheen on the other side. It's the white. It's shimmery. It's really shimmery paper. I don't know if you can tell that. Might be able to in the camera. It's very, very cute. And then, let's see, and here's another pattern. Now this is embossed as well. I can see the sheen on that. And there's a texture. And that's the back side. Very pretty. I know I keep saying that, but it is. It's just gorgeous paper. I love everything about it. And I gotta find the perfect project for this. Isn't that cute? I mean, this would be cute with a journal that had like a denim cover. If you're really into blues, that's really sweet. And then another shimmery set of papers. A green, like a mint green, and then like a sky blue. And then on the back cover, you have some more cut aparts. And then, so that's what I got from the Only One Life Creations. And then, this isn't in the same haul, but I just got this recently, and I just wanted to show it to you. So I got this metal ruler. It's got cork on the bottom, and it's got a nice sharp edge, so this would be really good for tearing. And I got this at Harbor Freight. It was like $1.49 or $1.99. I can't remember which. So don't forget about checking out your hardware stores. Hardware stores are a great place to find things to use for making journals or just art in general. There's always some really handy tools. They had compasses there. I didn't need a compass, so I didn't pick it up. But they have, because they have drafting tools and that there. So those would come in handy. And then today I got from Amazon, as I needed one. I got this little static pouch. And I don't remember how much I paid for it. And then I picked up one more 3D Impresslit with the flowers. I think I get a lot of use out of that. I think I've gotten all of them that are available. Maybe, well, I don't know. There's like 3 or 4 maybe more available that I haven't purchased yet. I don't know. If I run into them, I will, because I want all of those, because I just love those things. So anyway, again, this is just a short little video. I just wanted to show you this short little haul. Again, the haul was from Only One Life's Creations. I think they have really good quality products. The prices are really reasonable. Now, the shipping wasn't free, but the shipping was reasonable because they do it by like how much you're spending. So I think the shipping I paid was $7.50 for the shipping for this, which even with the discount and in paying for the shipping, it still was less than. It would still be like, it would still work out to getting free shipping plus a discount. I didn't do the exact math. So that's what I'm saying. It's not bad at all. But anyway, again, this is Lori, the Crafter in the Mitten. And stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you this other project that I've been working on. And I'm going to be posting it soon. I'll see you again. Thank you. Bye-bye.